Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Aaliyah Present Cooking. Today I'm making crispy and spicy Nashville style chicken, shawarma. I believe you and your family will really love this recipe. I made this shawarma specially for you guys with lots of effort and love. It's crispy, spicy, juicy, and super tasty. I added mayo and chili garlic, ketchup to make it extra. Delicious. Trust me, it's very easy to make. Just follow my recipe and you can easily make it at home. You can enjoy it with evening, tea, or anytime you're hungry. Your family and kids are going to love this shawarma. I'm working hard, especially for my USA audience. I want to share my cooking skills and tasty recipes with all of you. So now let's get started and make this amazing Nashville style chicken shawarma. So let's start the video and move to the recipe. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share the video. Stay connected with me for more delicious recipes. Finally, today I'm making crispy and spicy Nashville style chicken shawarma for my family. Let's enjoy this delicious recipe together. First, I'm using shawarma bread. Today, I'm using shawarma flatbread for a big family. I get 1 kilo chicken. Now I'll boil the chicken. Chicken is boiled. Cut into small pieces. Finely chopped chicken. Now add spice mix. Add 1 tikka masala plus 1 chaat pata masala. Mix well and fry. I chopped cabbage. Apply ketchup on shawarma bread. Apply on the bread. Add cabbage on bread. Now add chicken on bread. Add mayonnaise on chicken. Finally, our super delicious, crispy, and spicy Nashville style chicken shawarma is ready. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss my new videos. Also, don't forget to watch my old videos and share this recipe with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments how you like this USA special, shawarma. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Enjoy this recipe. Bye-bye.